Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of preparing for the UGC NET exam in psychology. I'm here to help guide you through the ins and outs of this exam, starting from what it is, why it's important, and how it can shape your career. The University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test, or UGC NET, is a nationwide exam in India that qualifies candidates for either the Junior Research Fellowship, JRF, or Assistant Professor positions in Indian universities and colleges. It's a crucial step if you're looking to make a career in academics or research in psychology. To break it down, UGC NET is conducted twice a year and includes two papers. Paper 1 is General Aptitude, which tests teaching and research skills. Paper 2 is subject-specific, and for us, that's psychology. Clearing this exam can open doors for further opportunities. One common question students ask is the difference between qualifying for the JRF and becoming eligible for an assistant professor role. Let's clarify this. Qualifying for the JRF makes you eligible for a research fellowship, which provides financial assistance for pursuing a PhD. You also gain priority in academic hiring, whereas qualifying for assistant professor makes you eligible to apply for faculty positions in colleges and universities. Unlike the JRF, this doesn't provide financial aid for research, but it qualifies you to start teaching at the college level. To be eligible for UGC NET in psychology, you need a master's degree in psychology or a related field from a recognized university with at least 55% marks for general category candidates and 50% for reserved categories. This eligibility ensures that only those with a strong foundation in psychology pursue this path, enhancing the academic standard for research and teaching in India. Clearing UGC NET strengthens your research profile, making you more competitive in India's academic landscape. To summarize, UGC NET in psychology is more than just an exam. It's a pathway to a rewarding career in research or teaching. Over the next few episodes, we'll dive deeper into the syllabus, preparation strategies, and tips to maximize your performance. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tips and guidance on acing this exam. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments. I'll be addressing them as we go along. Thank you for joining, and let's make your UGC NET journey a success. Thank you.